my name is Jeff. Hey, today we're going to talk a little bit about a data dictionary. And I know these are new terms that are coming to the surface for people in a data catalog. I just wanted to kind of demystify it a little bit. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right into kind of some examples and what exactly a data catalog is. Well, the first thing to remember about a data catalog is it is data about your data. So really what we want to know are all of those details. What is the data asset? What does it look like? And what are those details associated with it? What are the ones and the zeros? Let me give you an example of what that might look like. Let's pull up another screen here. This is an output from my personal data catalog. Now, why would I have a data catalog? Because I forget where I put things. So I may be working on something inside of SharePoint or OneDrive or wherever it is, and I need that information. I can easily put it in here. Now in this example, I've dumped this data catalog right into Evernote. I do that every night because I look at Evernote regularly and I can find my information. I can search on it very easily. But what does that data come from? So let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. Here, I just have a simple list that's made up. Now, see another video that I have on this channel about creating your own data dictionary. It's actually not that difficult. And this information is all entered using an email. So you just parse through the subject of the email and automatically it fills in where my information is. Now, why is this so important? First of all, because you can easily find where you have things, especially when you're working on files that you may not work on every day and you store things in different places around Office 365. And come on, let's face it, Office 365 is not the easiest format to look for information in. The data dictionary will help you out considerably there. The second thing I want you to remember about this video before we leave is that a data dictionary is nothing to be afraid of. Too many people are talking about data dictionaries and libraries and data attributes. Hey, look, all those things are really, really important, but it's not that difficult. And frankly, it's not too much different than what you've been doing in the past. So this information, as you see here, we're dumping some of this information from our data source. That's what the data pipe is. We're dumping it, and we can have multiple data sources in this environment, all feeding in and giving us a data catalog, data about our data. We're not pulling data in. We're just pulling what attributes and what assets of data we have. And then ultimately, the maturity of this model is you would go through and say, hey, I need a visualization that covers this. You search in your data catalog. Yep, I want that. You click on it. Yep, I want that. I click on it. And then it might say the next step would be to go to a machine learning operations framework to create perhaps a data model that could be used in a large language model that produces an AI type of interface similar to that of ChatGPT. But this is really the core foundation. You have to understand where your data is in a catalog and a dictionary with meta tags and all the other stuff. But I just want you to know that it's not that complicated. It's literally a list of information that we're going to put together. So hopefully that helped. That's really talking briefly about a data catalog, data dictionaries, data attributes. I hope you found it informative, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.